Hey everyone, and welcome back to Vital Seniors Life. It's fantastic to have you here. Today, we're diving into something incredibly important and, honestly, quite delicious. The top 10 superfoods that can help us all feel our absolute best as we navigate our 60s and beyond. Staying vibrant, energetic, and healthy is what it's all about, right? And what we put on our plates plays a huge role in that journey. It's not about restrictive diets or giving up the foods you love. Instead, it's about making smart, powerful additions to your meals. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. In fact, you'll probably find most of them in your local grocery store. We're going to explore how these simple foods can support everything from brain health and strong bones to a healthy heart and a robust immune system. Think of it as upgrading your daily fuel to a premium blend. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started on unlocking the secrets to a more energized and healthier you. Are you ready? Let's jump right into our number 10 spot. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have leafy greens. I'm talking about spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. These aren't just for salads, folks. These green powerhouses are absolutely packed with vitamins like A, C, E, and K. Vitamin K, in particular, is a champion for bone health, working alongside calcium to keep our bones strong and resilient. But that's not all. Leafy greens are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Why is that important? Well, as we get older, managing inflammation becomes key to fending off chronic conditions. Plus, the high fiber content is fantastic for our digestive system, helping everything run smoothly and supporting a healthy gut. Sneaking them in is easy. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or omelette. Saute some kale with garlic as a side dish, or use large lettuce leaves as a wrap instead of bread. It's a simple swap that delivers a massive nutritional punch. Coming in at number 9 are berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, ... Take your pick. These little jewels are bursting with flavor and some of the most potent antioxidants around, called flavonoids. These compounds are famous for their brain-boosting benefits. Studies have shown that regular berry consumption can help sharpen memory and slow down age-related cognitive decline. It's like a delicious workout for your brain. Beyond brain health, the vibrant colors of berries are a dead giveaway of their rich vitamin C content, which is essential for a strong immune system and healthy, glowing skin. They're also high in fiber and relatively low in sugar, making them a perfect sweet treat that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into a refreshing smoothie, or just enjoy a handful as a snack. It's nature's candy, and it's working hard for your health. Let's talk about our number 8 superfood, fatty fish. Specifically, I'm referring to salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines. What makes them so super? It's their incredibly high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. These are the good fats you hear so much about, and for good reason. Omega-3 South are absolute superstars for heart health. They help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and decrease the risk of heart-related issues. They're also powerful anti-inflammatories, which can help ease joint pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. But wait, there's more. DHA is a major structural component of the brain and retina. Consuming enough of it is linked to better brain function and protecting your vision as you age. Aim for 2 servings a week. You can bake, grill, or pan-sear a salmon fillet for a delicious dinner. Don't overlook canned options. Either canned salmon or sardines are budget-friendly, convenient, and just as nutritious. At number 7, we have a crunchy and satisfying favorite, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, this group is a treasure trove of nutrients. They are a fantastic source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. a combination that helps you feel full and satisfied, which is great for maintaining a healthy weight. Let's zoom in on walnuts. They are particularly high in a plant-based form of omega-3 fatty acids, adding to those brain and heart benefits we just talked about. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And don't forget the tiny but mighty seeds. Chia seeds and flax seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 south. Can sprinkle ground flaxseed on your cereal or blend chia seeds into yogurt to create a pudding-like texture. A small handful of mixed nuts makes the perfect afternoon snack to curb hunger and give you a boost of sustained energy. Sailing into the number 6 spot is yogurt, specifically Greek yogurt and other probiotic-rich fermented foods like kefir. The magic word here is probiotics. These are the friendly bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in your overall health. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. As we age, maintaining that healthy gut balance is vital. Yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium, which is non-negotiable for preserving bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Plus, Greek yogurt, in particular, is packed with protein, which helps maintain muscle mass, something that naturally declines with age. When choosing a yogurt, opt for plain varieties to avoid added sugars, and then you can add your own fresh berries or a sprinkle of nuts for flavor and extra nutrients. It's a creamy, delicious way to support your gut, bones, and muscles all at once. Cracking our top 5 is the humble egg. For years, eggs got a bad rap, but thankfully, science has shown us the light. Eggs are one of the most complete and affordable sources of high-quality protein available. This is crucial for seniors, as protein helps fight muscle loss or sarcopenia, keeping you strong and mobile. But the goodness doesn't stop there. The yolk, which people used to fear, is where you'll find amazing nutrients like vitamin D, important for calcium absorption and bone health, and choline. Choline is a vital nutrient for brain health, involved in memory and mood regulation. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that accumulate in the retina and are known to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. So go ahead and enjoy that morning scramble, hard-boiled egg or omelette, knowing you're doing your body a world of good. At number 4, let's talk about legumes. This category includes beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. If you're looking for a food that's a true triple threat, this is it. Legumes are an outstanding source of plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, and soluble fiber. That soluble fiber is a hero for your heart. It works to lower LDL, or bad, cholesterol levels. The combination of protein and fiber also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, making legumes an excellent choice for managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. They are also incredibly versatile and budget-friendly. You can add beans to soups and chilies, whip up some hummus with chickpeas for a healthy dip, or have a hearty lentil soup for lunch. They are filling, nutritious, and a fantastic way to stretch your food budget while boosting your health. We are entering the top 3. Coming in at number 3 is a vibrant orange hero, sweet potatoes. Not to be confused with yams, these root vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. Their bright orange flesh is a clear indicator that they are packed with beta-carotene, an antioxidant that our body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for a sharp vision, a robust immune system, and healthy skin. Sweet potatoes are also a great source of fiber, promoting digestive health, and potassium, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. They have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes, meaning they release sugar into the bloodstream more slowly. They are incredibly versatile too. You can bake them, mash them, roast them into wedges, or even spiralize them. They're a sweet and savory way to get a huge dose of vitamins. Our runner-up and number 2 is the amazing avocado. This creamy fruit is celebrated for its wealth of monounsaturated fats. These are the heart-healthy fats that help to reduce bad cholesterol levels and are beneficial for overall cardiovascular health. Don't let the word fat scare you. These are the good guys your body needs. Avocados are also loaded with potassium, even more than bananas. As we mentioned, potassium is key for managing blood pressure. They're also a great source of fiber, vitamins K, C, E, and various B vitamins. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados help you feel full and satisfied, aiding in weight management. Spread it on whole grain toast, add slices to your salad, or blend it into a smoothie for an extra creamy texture. It's a rich, delicious, and incredibly nutrient-dense addition to any meal. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 superfood for seniors over 60 is ... oatmeal or whole oats. It might seem simple, but its health benefits are truly profound. The star of the show in oats is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a cardiovascular champion. It's been proven to help lower cholesterol levels, improve the body's insulin response, and support a healthy gut by feeding beneficial bacteria. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning provides sustained energy, preventing that mid-morning slump. It's like a warm, comforting hug for your insides that's working hard to protect your heart and stabilize your blood sugar. Choose old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats over instant packets, which often contain added sugars. Top it with berries, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, and you have the ultimate superfood breakfast to start your day strong. So there you have it, our top 10 superfoods to help you thrive in your 60s and beyond. From oatmeal and avocados to berries and leafy greens, incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can make a world of difference in your energy levels, your health, and your overall well-being. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes. You don't have to eat all of these every single day. Just focus on adding more of them into your weekly routine. Your body will thank you for it. What are your favorite healthy foods? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Vital Seniors Life and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.